Hi, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss the differences between data marts, data lakes, and data warehouses. As we've seen in the earlier videos, the data mart is nothing but which is a specialized subset, means it has a different unique subset, means we have to extract the data from the data warehouse and we store separately depending on their department level. That kind of data we store in the data marts, means which is a subset of data warehouse. Okay, here as per the definition, a data mart is a specialized subset of data warehouse focused on specific functional area or department. If suppose we have taken a Reliance industry, there we are having the Reliance industries having more number of functionality of the business, where they're having oil business and telecom business and also mart business. So here each business is separated from the Reliance industries. So these separate department is called storing of data is data mart, whereas coming to data lake, so the differences between data mart, data lake, and data warehouse we see here. Data lake is nothing but which is also a storage area, whereas data marts and data warehouses store a structured data, whereas data lake stores raw data, structured data, and semi-structured data. It also stores from the heterogeneous sources, and it is a data lake, means it has a huge digital storage box where data is dumped first and then it can be later refined when the data is needed. Coming to the data warehouse is a large one compared to the data marts and which has a structured storage system. In the data marts also we can store structured storage, but we store a specific functional area or a department wise data. Coming to data warehouse, it is a structured storage system that organizes and processes data from different sources for reporting and decision making. We see here the differences and the feature and data mart, data lake, data warehouse. Here the purpose of the data mart, why we use data mart. The data marts are used for specifically for department level analytics, and the data lakes, it stores raw data, all types of data, which is a huge database. And whereas data warehouse, which is an enterprise wide analytics, means it stores only structured as per the enterprise. And the data types we used here for the data marts and data warehouses, we store structured data. And coming to data lakes, we store structured, semi structured, as well as unstructured data. Coming to data sources, we use here this data mart. The source of this data mart is data warehouse, and that's why which is a subset of the data warehouse. And we see here it has a data lake. It has multiple raw data sources. We get the data to the data warehouse from multiple operational systems we called as OLTP servers. Here data processing, here data marts and data warehouses stores processed data, and whereas data lake stores raw data. And schemas we use here, schema on write, means we are storing the data into the data marts as well as the data warehouse. That's why here we have schema on write. Coming to data lakes, we store the raw data. We have to read the data from the data lakes and we refine it and we store the data into the data warehouses as well as the data marts. That's why we have here schema on read. Coming to scalability, it is limited to the departments, and it's coming to data lakes. So he is a very high storage and which is cheap, and which is cheap also, and but coming to data warehouse, which is very costlier. The speed of access because data marts are small, that's why it is fast for its domain. This is data lakes contains large number of data, that's why which is slower, and also which has data, raw data, unprepared data, and streaming data, so structured, semi-structured, unstructured data, that's why which is slower, and which is having big large structured data warehouse, so which is optimized for queries. And users for this data marts are the business analysts, and this data lake users data scientists. For the data warehouses, both management and business analysts are used for the data warehouse. The cost for this data marts are low, and data lakes, as we know, which is cheap, and maintaining the data warehouse is very high budget, and which has a complex structure. This is about the differences between data mart, data lake, and data warehouse. Before that, please subscribe and like and share the videos. And if you have any doubts, please post in the comment box. I will clear for you. Thank you.